Have you ever had delicious sweet salsa pulled pork? This recipe is perfect for a family dinner or for a party with friends. Stuff it into a taco, make nachos or salads. It's the perfect meat with a little heat and a little sweet. And I'm showing you just how easy it is to make today on the Stay at Home Chef. To make the sweet pork, I prefer to use a boneless pork butt roast. This is the cut of meat that is perfect for low and slow cooking. When cooked at a low temperature over extended periods, the connective tissue and the fats break down, making this extra tender and juicy. The extra fat marbling in this will keep it moist and juicy. A slow cooker and a pork butt are like best friends if you ask me. I'm using about a 4-pound pork roast, and I'm going to place that in the base of my slow cooker. To season it, we're going to rub 2 tablespoons of minced garlic over the pork butt. Don't worry, I washed my hands, and now I'm going to add on about 2 teaspoons of salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. Put the lid on the slow cooker and let this cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. We also have a pressure cooker and oven method over on our website. Magically, it's been 6 hours. And we need to drain off at least half of the juices and the grease. Then add to a bowl 16 ounces of jarred salsa, and I prefer a jarred salsa because it's been cooked. Fresh salsa doesn't work as well for this recipe. Add to that salsa 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cumin, which is optional. I know some of my family members don't care for it. Mix that together and pour that over the pork. Let that cook for another 1 to 2 hours until the pork shreds easily. Try not to eat too much as you shred it, or do. I know I'm guilty of that. Serve it up hot however you'd like, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.